morning, and I'm on my way to pick up Jasmine from school because she is not feeling well today. She's got some stomach issues again from her anxiety, which is rearing its ugly head because we are once again in that crunch time before the end of school, and it seems like this is always the worst, and she always just crumbles. So I'm going to go pick her up. Hopefully she'll have some work that she can work on at home. And then let's see, today's Monday. What else do we have going on? Zoe, well, before that, I need to go shopping. Going to Walmart with Carrie. Maybe a few other stops along the way. And then Zoe has lacrosse this evening. If it doesn't rain, we're supposed to have storms. It's really dark out right now because there's a storm rolling in. Oh, the rain's starting now. So anyways, thunderstorms, she may not have lacrosse tonight, which might actually work out kind of nice. Because at the same time Zoe has lacrosse, Jasmine and I have a therapy lesson, or therapy session in the Shakopee with her therapist, which we've never done before together. So that's tonight. And then tomorrow is Tuesday. I need to, what do I need to do? Tuesday, I need to, oh boy, there's not enough water. Okay, there we go. Tuesday is all about getting outfits ready. I still need to finish up Emily's skirt, or pants, and hem them, and make sure that they fit her correctly. I may have to tweak it a little bit to make it fit. And then I need to find an outfit for Jasmine, which I haven't been able to do yet. I've been looking and looking and looking, and she wants something purple. It's not happening. It's very purple. It's very aloof at this point. So we gotta find something, anything tomorrow for her. I need to finish up my outfit for the wedding. It feels like I have been doing this for months. I have been trying to get things for the girls. I buy stuff, I return it. I buy stuff, I return it. Because anything I pick out, they don't like. Or they don't like the color, or they don't like the way it fits. Like, this is ridiculous. Just wear this. This is what you're wearing. So I guess I should give them. Anyway. So outfits and shoes for myself and Jasmine, for sure, needs to happen tomorrow. And then Wednesday is lacrosse again, and packing day. And then the next morning we leave at bright and early at 7:30 for Los Angeles. So that should be fun for the wedding. So the girls are getting excited, I think. I think they're a little bit kind of dreading the actual traveling part. But it'll be fine. You know, it'll be fine. So, yeah. Alright, so that's what I'm up to for this week. I will talk to you later. Bye. Got a bird in my bird bath. And a cute little robin bird taking a little swim. It's the first time I've ever seen a bird in my bird bath.